everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am coming with very interesting decorative idea, that is Shubh Labh hanging for Diwali, and I will share each and every step in detail, how to write the words Shubh and Labh using paper quilling strips, how to do all the decorations which is looking very beautiful. I have added mirrors, Gota patti laces to create it more attractive. So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. Here I am taking cardboard circle which is having 5 cm diameter, and I am just covering it using yellow color craft paper. So this is completely covered from one side, we don't need to cover from other side. Then to start with making the words, here I am taking 1/16th strip of maroon color in 2 mm and making one tight coil. This is very teeny strip. Then taking back the base, first I am adding one thick strip horizontally, and then I'll start arranging the word Shubh by adding maroon tight coils. And this is completely ready, looking very pretty. Similarly, I have prepared word Labh with the same procedure and on the same yellow color base sheet. Then here I am taking 6 strips of green color in 3 mm and wrapping it around the circle. So I am just taking the measurement of the circle and then add little glue and start rotating the strip around this and create one ring size. So the ring is ready, secure the end using glue. Then I am taking here golden color Gota patti lace, add little strong adhesive in one corner and start wrapping it around the ring in diagonal manner by leaving little gap so that you will see the green strip behind and it will look very nice and festive. Just secure the end with the same glue, cut the excess ribbon, and this is completely ready. Very pretty. Now I'm taking one round shaped box which is approx having 8 cm diameter and wrapping red color strip around this to create the big ring, add little glue, and here I am going to join total 10 strips to make this ring. Now again I am going to wrap this using golden Gota patti lace, just like we did before, and after wrapping the lace it should look like this. Then I am taking 8 cm diameter cardboard circle, and using the same diameter I am taking this beautiful designer paper. So I am sticking both the pieces together, and then on top of this I am sticking red color Gota patti ring. And exactly in the center I am adding word Shubh. Then around this I am adding green color Gota patti ring. Then inside this add glue, and I am going to add golden color ball chain, and here I am adding total 2 rounds of gold chain. Like this, allow it to dry for few minutes. Very pretty. Then here I am taking total 3 1/6 strip of yellow color, folding all 3 from center, and start twisting it from one direction using pointed tweezer and making the scroll. So the scroll is ready. Then I am taking half strip of dark green color and half strip of red color and making one tight coil. Similarly we need total 4. Now taking back the base, and I'll start decorating this in 4 corners using the tight coils. Then in between I am sticking yellow colored scrolls. And this is done. Then to fill the gap between the scrolls, I am just sticking these square mirrors. This is completely optional, but mirror always gives nice festive look to your work. And the beautiful Shubh big size base is ready, looking very attractive, isn't it? Then I am taking my glue bottle, which is approx having 4 cm diameter, and wrapping total 4 strips of dark green color in 3 mm around this and making the ring. I have wrapped golden Gota putty lace on this ring as well. So it should look like this. Then I am just adding glue on this and sticking the designer paper with this. Keeping it aside and taking one strip light green color tight coil which is made using 2 mm strip, and on top of this I am adding same size circular mirror and then wrapping one yellow color 3 mm strip around this and making the tight coil. I am going to stick the tight coil exactly in the center of this design. And then for neck shape I am taking 1/4 strip of off-white color and 1/4 strip of red color in 3 mm and making one tight coil. So I am going to adhere these tight coils around this mirror tight coil. Like this. Then just cutting the excess paper. And the center part of the hanging is ready. Then I am taking 4 strips of yellow color in 3 mm and making one tight coil. Taking my quilling mold, shaping it as a dome. Also I have prepared these 2 red color tight coils which are made using 3 strips of red color in 3 mm, making domes for these tight coils as well, adding glue inside all the domes and allow it to dry. Then I am decorating the base of this dome using gold color ball chain. Like this. Now taking back my Shubh base, and here I am going to attach golden color jump ring so that we can create the hanging. Opening the jump ring using my plier, and I have already attached some jump rings, one in the top center, one in the bottom center, and 2 on left and right sides in the center. So it will come in front like this. So I am going to attach one of the jump ring like this. Very easy. I have poked one hole using pointed tweezer, or you can also use needle. Since this is the cardboard, so very easy to make the hole. Now taking one more gold jump ring and attaching in topmost part with the keychain holder. Like this. Then taking one golden colored eye pin, passing one pearl through this, then passing red colored dome through this, adding one more pearl, cutting the excess wire and just twist it using plier, and I am connecting with left and right side of the jump rings like this. I have decorated all the domes from bottom using gold chain, just like we decorated the yellow one, and after attaching the domes it should look like this. Then I am taking one more golden color eye pin, adding some pearls and yellow bead alternatively on this. Total 5 beads here I am adding. Cutting the excess wire from top, twist it using plier. Like this. Then passing one gold jump ring through this and connecting with the center bottom part of the base. So it should look like this. Then taking the medium base, on top and bottom of this medium base also I have connected 2 jump rings. So I'm just connecting one of the jump ring with this pearl bead hanging. And then in the bottom we have to create one more hanging. So I'm taking one gold color eye pin, passing 2 white pearls, passing through the yellow dome, attaching one more pearl, cut the excess wire, twist it and passing through the bottom jump ring. And then at the end I am just attaching one red color tussle with the bottom eye pin for the finishing touch. This is the ready-made tussle, but you can also create your own. And this is done, looking very pretty and very attractive. With the similar method I have created the labh along with all the hangings. Everything is same, all the process is same, just the difference is between Shubh and Labh. And you can decorate your walls, you can decorate your doors in this upcoming Diwali festival using the Shubh Labh hanging, or you can also gift it to your relatives, to your nearer and dearer ones with the handmade touch. Isn't it a great idea? So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and the notifications. I am waiting for your suggestions and comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.